Hello, Year One. This is your art lesson number 4. Today we are going to make a pirate treasure map. So today you are going to create a pirate treasure map. Pirates would use these to sail to an island and go and find some treasure. For this lesson today, you will need to have a piece of large white paper. You can stick together 2 pieces of A4 together if you want. You also need a tea bag, a bowl of cold water, a hairdryer, but you'll need a grown-up to help you. Please don't do the hairdryer on your own. Some pencils and some felt tips. And you need to plan your map before you actually do it on the real one. And you need to have lots of fantastic ideas. So your first job to make your pirate map is we need to make the paper go brown. We need to stain this with a tea bag. Now, if you wanted to, you could also ask an adult to burn the edges of your paper to make your map look old. So your first job is to dip the tea bag into water and then smear it all over both sides of your white paper. I have put mine on a kitchen towel to dry. You could also, before you stain your paper, you can crumble it up into like a ball and then lay it out flat. That could make your paper look old. Now at this stage you could actually ask a grown-up to help you dry your stained paper with a hairdryer, or you can just let it dry in the sun naturally. It's completely up to you. So whilst you're waiting for your paper to dry, you need to get a clean piece of white paper and you're going to plan your treasure map. Here is a picture of a map that I have found. I really like this one. So can you see it's got the simple layout of the island like here? Can you see where the mouse is leading you? And then it's got some things in the map. So over here we've got some little houses. It's got here a palm tree and they've called that Glass Beach. Got Smuggler's Cove. Got some mountains or some hills, Parrot Haven. We've got some more trees. It's called Hangman Forest. Right in the middle of the map here is Blue Lake. And we've got X marks the spot, which is where the treasure has been hidden. And down here we've got Deadman Creek. And there's a little tiny island off that, look. And then there's some pictures of some ships and the sea, an anchor. And this is brilliant. This is a compass. And you must all recognise that flag by now, the Jolly Roger. So whilst you're waiting for your paper to dry, these are things that you could have on your map. It could have an island outline, just like I showed you, like a nice wibbly wobbly outline. It could have some trees, some mountains or some hills. You definitely need that X marks the spot. Pirates need to know where to go and find the treasure. A compass, you may be at the bottom of your map or at the side of the map. You could have a compass with north, south, east and west on. You could have a volcano. What about a waterfall? Maybe have some houses, just like the houses here. Maybe just have a few houses. And you might want to give your island a name. Now this is a picture of another pirate treasure map that I thought I would show you to give you some more ideas. I really like the way they've done that blue edge around the island to show its water. That's a really nice way. And I think this is brilliant. Look at that, Skull Rocks. Look, that's really easy to draw the skull with the 2 eyes and the triangle nose. That's fantastic. We've got here a stinky swamp. with some trees around it. And this is great, look, sinking sands. And then you've got like the beach down here. And we've got here West Sands. Up here we've got a lookout point. And up here we've got the 3 peaks, so they've drawn 3 mountains. And look, it's so easy to do like a snow-capped mountain. And here we've got Palm Coast. And look, can you spot there? There's the X marks the spot. And they've also used a compass. Another idea is this one. So this was drawn in pencil and then they drew over it in a black felt tip. So we've got here, look at that one, Skull Island, and it does look like a skull, doesn't it? We've got here some little wigwams, that's tents. We've got right in the middle, Mount Grey Rock. Oh look, a secret cove and a hidden forest and Shark Alley. And look, you can see some shark fins sticking out of the water. Can you see the X marks the spot? I don't think I can. Oh, that might be it there, look, with the cutlasses crossed, and there's the treasure chest. So that's another idea. And they've also used a compass, north at the top, south at the bottom, east and west. I really like this one as well. So they've put some felt tip on their map. And this just gives you some other ideas. Look, we've got the houses with some people outside. I really like the palm trees, and there's the X. And look, they've got a tent with flags. And similar to that skull, they've got one just there. Look, they've got the sharks in the water, even a giant whale and a pirate ship. So you need to have a think about what you want to have on yours. Now, as a bit of a challenge, I did see this and it made me smile. This person has made a treasure map, a pirate treasure map on a pizza. Can you see they've got the bread dough, then the tomato, then the cheese. These yellow bits are yellow peppers, and we've got red peppers. Then we've got some olives, it's like a track, and these are just bits of parsley. And that could be some different cheese in the middle. Isn't that great? You could make your own pirate treasure map pizza. And then this one is a pirate map wrap. So again, gives you all the ingredients down here that you would need. So you've got a wrap with some cheese and some sweet corn and some peppers. So you could maybe make your own pirate map pizza or a pirate map wrap. Quite hard to say. So children, today's lesson, if I just go back to the beginning, you are going to make a treasure map for a pirate. Think about all the things you need to have on it. Have a go at staining your paper. Maybe you want to make the edges look old. Really use your imagination and think about maybe giving your map a name, adding a compass, and don't forget the X marks the spot. So have fun, make a treasure map. Bye children.